Hi, so I'm Julia and I'm one of the partners of Malibarn Flower Shop. We opened here in Bangkok just last month, so we're a new flower shop. We are located in Slow Combo, which is an environmentally friendly eco-mall. So I think we've got the right home for us here. Half of the flower shop is selling flowers, so we have online orders, you can come in, you can choose flowers from the flower bar, but the other half is called a herbarium, which is the scientific part of the shop, the education kind of side. So we want to educate about the beautiful Thai flowers that we have. So it's half flower shop, half herbarium. So yeah, so today's exercise was really good fun. So the students had to come it's part of their restaurant design studio program. So they had to come with a dish or a meal, some food that they would like, and they had to kind of recreate that mood using the flowers in the shop. So some had a savory dish, some had like a cake or something, and then we can see the final result in their bouquet, thinking about the type of color and the type of arrangement composition. So that was the exercise that we did today, and I think they've got some really nice outputs from that. I think having the students here today, I think they've learned quite a lot about colour, about the selection of colour, putting colours together. You think about texture, you think about the form, the shape when you're doing flower arranging. So making a beautiful flower arrangement doesn't just happen. You have to learn and you have to think about the composition of the flowers. So you have to think about colour, you have to think about form, and you have to think about texture. So it really does combine a lot of design principles that the students learn. So I think it's a really nice way for them to kind of bring their skills together and learn kind of about flower arranging. Malibarn works very closely with Thai flower farmers. So we're supporting the economic livelihood and to diversify their income. We're buying flowers to support their economic livelihood. So that's kind of a social enterprise approach that we're taking. For us, we think the environmental aspect and the social and the economic are really important for our business.